chrome plastic. Let's see how to do it. I use two ways how to chrome plastic. I use a marker and I use spray. This is a chrome spray. It's then braven. There's more ways out there how to do chrome. I think you can do electroplating with plastic, something like that I've seen before. But the two easiest way is a pen and a spray. I know that you can get model paints that you can do chrome with, but if you are on a rush and you want a cheap and easy solution, this is the two best ways. Of course, if you are an adventurous person and you want to do something DIY, you can always remove the ink, the chrome ink, we're gonna say like that, the chrome paint from one of these pens and spray it with an airbrush. It's basically a very simple procedure. You're just gonna get your plastic. You can prime them if you want. It's not necessary. And then you're gonna just apply the paint all over the plastic. It's very easy to do, very simple. Just paint whatever you want chrome and that's it. You can clear coat them if you want. I don't recommend because sometimes the clear coat doesn't want to stick to it. I have done it, I have achieved it, but I don't recommend it. And the second thing is a chrome spray. I believe you can find them in most of the hardware shops or paint shops. I'm gonna let it sit for 2 or 3 days. That's what usually I do. If I can even leave it for a week, it will be even better because it will harden. And I have noticed that if you apply heat to it, it will smoothen even more. You're gonna get it even more. Of course, you cannot expect to get a perfect chrome surface. That's probably you can do with the electroplating. As I said, that you can probably buy in Amazon a kit to do electroplating. But if you want something simple, fast, do it now. Go with the spray or with a pen. And if you're painting chrome, whatever if it's spray or marker, I highly recommend that the piece that you're painting is one color, doesn't have like a bondo or party or different colors on it, because you're gonna have a different reflections on it, or you can even see the color coming through if you don't apply enough thick coats. I usually apply one coat. A tip that you have to be careful is that this paint is very thick, so if you're gonna lay it onto a part that needs to go inside another part, you will be struggling and then you have to sand it down for it to fit. So be careful with that, and that's the only thing I can say when it comes to this paint. So this is my opinion of how to do fast and easy chrome. You have to know, better the surface, more smooth the surface, better the results and better the shine you're gonna get from the chrome. Even if it's pen or even if it's a spray, your surface have to be really smooth. If you can see here, this is 3D printed, you can see that the reflection is not good just because there's a lot of angles, a lot of different things that the printer left. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.